All right. So in this video, I'll try to cover a few topics. First, I will talk about what it take to make it to the App Store. Like, let's say you build an iOS app. So what other information and you need um, to submit to the App Store. And then we'll work on how to use LLM to create an iOS app. And then when you already build an iOS, how to prepare for the submission. Um, and then what LLM tools out there. So first we'll talk about what it takes to make it to the App Store. So let's say you already build an iOS app, right? So you have to be you have to enroll in the developer plan, which is $99 for 1 year. And then you can go to the app store connect.apple.com, and then there is an app, so you can upload here from the Xcode, so that will shown in here. So I have 3 app on the App Store. One is still in the review. So if we open this app, I spell my list, and then if we go in the App Store here, we can see I can search spell my list. Okay, so it's like approved yesterday, even though it's showing in there. It's just not in the top, it's just bottom there. So for this app, like, you upload the build, and then what else you need? So you need the screenshot, so you can upload maximum 10 screenshot, but you have to upload minimum 1 or 3. So that's the screenshot. You can provide like an iPad screenshot. What I experience is like most of the app that work in the iPhone, it also works in iPad, so you don't have to worry about the iPad, which is nice, I think. So what else we need? We need promotional text. So this is the promotional text. So if we go into this app here, we can see like what is the like what's shown in here. So this create custom spelling list, and then weekly test. So these are the these text. This 4 line here is a promotional text. So if we go there, we see the instruction. This promotional text: App Store visitor of any kind of feature without requiring update submission. So that's only I think there is like character limit, so it's 12 character left, so it's you can write like 2 lines. And then you have description, which is this one. So description can be big. So if we scroll down, these are all like description from spell my list. Okay, let's go down. So these are all description. So you put the description here. Let me see. App detailing feature and functionality. And then keyword. So keyword does not appear here. It's for the search, like when I think the user search for any term, it match there. So we provide some keywords there. And then you need support URL. So so you have to give a website somewhere about the like support. So what I did, I put some like readme into the GitHub gist. I think it might show. Does it shows here? It does not shown here. But you have to provide this support URL. So I'll show when we build an app, like so this is in my GitHub gist as a readme. And then copyright, who is the click the name of the person or entity that owns the exclusive right of your app. So that's my name. And then you have to provide this build. So we uploaded this build from Xcode, so we don't have to worry about that. And then if your app required any password or username, then you have to provide that, so person who review this app is able to open the app and test the app. So that's on this page. And then you have another one, app information. So if we go up in here, so this is the spell my list, this is the name that appeared in App Store. So whatever you put in here will be appear here, spell my list. And then subtitle, it's only few character, like no, it's 30 character probably. It's a 30 character, so that's appear under this name, practice custom spelling test there. And then other thing you need, these are uploaded from the Xcode, so you don't need to worry. So you have to provide this category, like which category it fits, education and productivity I choose. And then you have to edit this one, content right. This app does not contain show access third-party content, but if the app access any third-party content, then you have to keep that information. And then so when you go so as rating, so you have to go like there is a few question in there, so you have to answer this question. It's mostly like no, and then you have to provide encryption information, which is for me none of them. Okay. And then okay, other things we need is app privacy. So I provided this privacy in my GitHub gist as a privacy, so that linked in here in privacy. Apple is very serious about privacy. And so app privacy, and then there is a link in here. So if we click here, it's open this privacy page. So I put in a README markdown file in the gist, so you can read in here. So, and then this is the README that I put in the first page at URL. Okay, so other than you need to go with pricing and availability, so you have to provide, like if you want to put any price, so mine is like $0, so it's free. And then what country it should be available, I chose all the countries, and then that was all the information that you fill up when you submit. And then what it does, like Apple review this app. Let me see. So this is the submission. So I submitted first on February 18. Issues is some issue, and then it's a provide detailed answer to following question. What are the source of your AI feature? And then I response to that, like I'm using Apple on device foundation model, and I give them this link for foundation model, and then it was approved. Okay, and so it's only like I have to give some answer, otherwise it was okay. So when you submit, it take like 3 or 4 days to someone to review, and then they will give like if it's all fine, they will just approved. If it's not fine, they will reject, which is very common. And the main reason of the like rejection is the like privacy policy. Like, all right, so that's information we need when we like submit to the App Store, and then you have to be in a developer plan. So we can